2026 is right around the corner, and manufacturers are coming out swinging with designs nobody saw coming. Folding shotguns, compensated duty pistols, capacity-boosted micro-compacts, modular carry-to-carbine conversions, and A50 BMG bolt action that completely rewrites physics. In today's video, we're counting down the 8 new firearms that will dominate the floor this January. Stick around. Number 1 is a breakthrough so wild, it might change the .50 caliber world forever. 8. Axor Arms FSS. Many Turkish manufacturers have been pushing boundaries for years, but the Axor Arms FSS Mini feels like a direct challenge to the American shotgun market. This 12-gauge semi-auto collapses down small enough to disappear into a laptop bag, yet runs a full 14-inch barrel and a gas-operated action designed for reliability under rapid fire. The aircraft-grade 7075 aluminum receiver keeps weight manageable without compromising strength, and the folding stock locks up rock solid with zero wobble. Axor also added a reversible charging handle, showing they're serious about ambidextrous usability from day one. While the 4 Plus 1 capacity is modest, the FSS Mini's biggest selling point is its modularity. Tool-free folding, Picatinny real estate, and compact deployment make it ideal for vehicle carry, security roles, or home defense in tight spaces. The biggest question is U.S. parts, support, and importer allocation, which could affect long-term adoption. But as an innovation piece, this is one of the most talked about SHOT Show announcements. 7. Springfield Armory Echelon 4.0 Compact. Springfield took their already impressive Echelon platform and shrunk it into a carry-optimized package that doesn't compromise on performance. The 4.0 Compact introduces a factory-integrated single-port compensator built directly into the slide system, giving shooters noticeably flatter recoil compared to standard micro-compacts. The hammer-forged, melanite-finished 4-inch barrel ensures long service life, while the central operating group chassis provides the modularity Echelon users expect. Capacity is strong at 15 Plus 1 flush or 18 Plus 1 with extended mags, and the VIS optic mounting system supports the most common footprints without plates. At 24 ounces and an MSRP of $749, Springfield is clearly aiming to undercut competitors like SIG and Glock while offering more out of the box. The factory tritium UDOT sights and duty-grade reliability position this pistol squarely at professional carriers who want fast follow-ups with minimal muzzle rise. The only drawback is limited aftermarket support, at least for now. 6. Shadow Systems CR920XL. Shadow Systems built its reputation on improving Glock-style platforms, and the CR920XL doubles down on that mission. This micro-compact features a 4.2-inch match-grade barrel, redesigned slide geometry, and internal balancing meant to produce what the company calls next-generation recoil control. In testing, the XL runs flatter than many larger pistols, with noticeably quicker recovery between shots, especially when using lower-powered ammunition that typically challenges micro-compacts. Shadow Systems also insists on steel magazines for reliability, giving shooters 15 Plus 1 capacity, while keeping overall weight at just 19.5 ounces. The optic cut is multi-footprint, the flat-faced trigger breaks at 4.5 pounds, and the frame ergonomics follow Shadow's proven angled grip system. The company claims a 10,000-round torture test with 0 stoppages, justifying its $975 MSRP for carriers who want performance without the bulk of a full-sized firearm. For many shooters, this may be the most balanced concealed carry pistol announced for 2026. 5. Smith & Wesson 940 2026. Davidson's exclusive Smith & Wesson is bringing back a cult classic, a snub-nosed J-frame revolver chambered in 9mm and fed by moon clips. The 940 fills a unique niche. Those who want revolver reliability with ammo compatibility matching their primary carry pistol. The stainless steel construction gives it durability, while the 2.17-inch barrel and dowel trigger keep things simple and snag-free for concealed carry. The front sight features tritium for low light clarity, and S&W includes 3 moon clips for fast extraction of rimless 9mm cartridges. At 5 rounds, capacity is limited, but the trade-off is absolute reliability and a footprint small enough for ankle carry, deep concealment, or backup gun rolls. The moon clips require some practice, but for shooters who want consistent recoil, easy reloads, and ammunition uniformity across their system, the new 940 redefines what a modern snubby can be. Limited production will likely make it a collector favorite as well. 4. Savage RXR 22. Savage surprised the market with one of the most budget-friendly yet feature-rich rimfires of the year. The RXR 22 is a semi-automatic .22 LR with a modular design aimed at plinking, small game hunting, and tactical style training. At under $300, it includes features typically reserved for rifles 2 price tiers higher: an adjustable pistol grip, front Picatinny rail for accessories, detachable 10-round magazines, and a threaded barrel ready for suppressors. The synthetic stock keeps weight down, while the receiver's ergonomic layout appeals to new and experienced shooters alike. Accuracy is practical rather than match grade, but consistent enough for training and recreational use. The biggest draw is cost efficiency. .22 LR at 2 cents per shot allows high-volume practice without breaking the bank. For instructors, beginners, and budget-conscious shooters, the RXR 22 delivers surprising value and modularity at a price that disrupts the category. 3. Taurus GX4 Strike Bravo. Taurus made the boldest move yet in the micro-compact market by partnering with Strike Industries to produce a hybrid platform that blurs the line between handgun and PCC. The GX4 Strike Bravo starts as a 3.7-inch barreled, optics-ready, 15 plus 1 micro-compact with a reversible charging handle. But what makes it unique is the Strike FSA stabilizer system, a tool-free attachment that extends the firearm to over 18 inches, adds a shouldering interface, and dramatically improves long-range stability. With the stabilizer removed, the gun reverts to a standard 10-inch pistol. This modularity lets shooters carry discreetly, train dynamically, or transition to a quasi-carbine roll without switching platforms. At 34.9 ounces with brace and an MSRP under $800 fully equipped, the Strike Bravo aims directly at shooters who want one firearm for multiple roles. For versatility at this price point, few competitors come close. 2. FN MTL30. Though it won't be available to civilians, the FN MTL30 is one of the most significant advancements in military firepower announced this year. FN secured a U.S. Army development contract to replace aging M203 and M320 systems with a semi-automatic, magazine-fed 30mm grenade launcher capable of firing medium-velocity rounds out to 500 meters. With a receiver made from 7,075 aluminum and a weight of only 11 pounds, The MTL-30 is lighter than many infantry rifles, yet delivers vastly superior explosive capability. Its 3 or 5 round detachable magazines bring faster follow-ups and increased hit probability thanks to the flatter trajectory of the new 3mm ammunition. While it will never hit commercial shelves due to destructive device classification, the MTL-30 signals the next era of precision grenadier systems and provides a glimpse into future battlefield technology. 1. Auto Ordnance TO-50 Bolt-Action Rifle. The Auto Ordnance TO-50 isn't just another .50 BMG rifle. It's a fundamental rethinking of how .50 caliber bolt guns should operate. Featuring a 29-inch barrel with a 1.5 twist, a proprietary brake, and a chassis equipped with a Magpul PRS, Gen 3 stock, and Timney trigger, the rifle already checks the standard boxes. But the real breakthrough is its patent-pending roller-bearing bolt system. This innovation reduces cycling force by an astonishing 40%, bringing the effort required closer to that of a BONT 308 bolt action. For many shooters, that means accessing .50 BMG precision without the physical strain historically associated with the caliber. Weighing 25.5 pounds and measuring 61 inches, the TO-50 is still massive, but far more user-friendly than traditional platforms. A folding stock variant, a QTAC bipod, and Barrett 10-round magazine add to the package. This rifle easily earns the top spot for introducing genuine mechanical evolution rather than incremental upgrades. SHOT Show 2026 is shaping up to be one of the most innovative years we've ever seen. Which one of these new releases would you add to your collection? Did we rank them right? Drop your thoughts below, smash that like button, and subscribe so you don't miss our next breakdown covering the wild new optics launching this year. See you in the next one. Stay sharp and keep your sights on target.